Well, today we're gonna make this procedurally generated pudding using geometry node, of course. As you can see, we can control the point, the side of it, the pointiness. You can make it very round like this or very pointy like this. You can increase the height of the top part and the bottom of the height. Look at that. And then you can control the radius, the upper part radius, etc, etc. And then this is some NPR stuff, so it can't use cycles. It's only work in EV because, yeah, I'll explain it later. So we're gonna make it now. Okay, first of all, you need to activate Node Wrangler. This is come default in Blender. Activate it and then save preferences. Then delete all of the geometry. By the way, you can look at my keystroke in here. Okay. We will need to add some geometry to work with and then delete it. Okay. What we need to do first is curve line and use it. Now, in here you can see some line. This is not a mesh, this is a curve. What it means by that is if you open spreadsheet, it doesn't contain any point data, any vertex data in it. So you must convert that curve to mesh. Sorry. As you can see, there's a point right here. Then I want it to be a star shape using star curve and then fill the cap. We can control the point of it right now, but we can control the inner and outer radius like this, but we can't control the, if we want to make this slightly bigger than this part or slightly bigger than this part, we can control that. What we can do is use this node. Wait, delete this. No. What we can do is first resample that curve so we have more point to work with, and then we will use curve radius. Okay, set curve radius and then use color ramp on the radius part. Okay, so this color ramp work like combining these two mesh together, to input together, to parameter together. We doesn't want that. We want control this point, this specific point, this specific point. What we then we'll use this spline parameter. As you can see, like this, we can control this point only and this point only by using this parameter. We'll need I'm using B spline for it for now, like this. Okay, I'm love with this shape. Okay, and then we'll subdivide it for now. Subdivide the surface so it doesn't look so pointy. 2 or 3 times might be good. What if we use the other methods? Wait. I'll use constant. No. I'll use B-spline so it have greater interpolation. And then that's pretty much it for the upper part. We need to wait. Okay, and then we need to use some XYZ. Combine the XYZ. So we can control this Z component using group input. Okay, wait. Group input. Okay, so we can control it from here now. Look at this. And then we also want to control the, wait, where is it? Oh, here's it. The point. Like this. And then the inner radius and the outer radius. Let upper part, and then hide the value so it doesn't okay, string. Okay, so it doesn't have to be connected to anything. Default. Okay, and then this will become the height, and then this will become the points, inner radius and outer radius. Okay, and then we'll gonna frame it together so it'll become, it doesn't make some mess, it isn't messy. Okay, top part. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now we're gonna make the bottom part. For this you can use mesh circle or curve circle. Where's the curve circle? Oh, this, it's worked the same, but I prefer using some cylinder. It's more simple in my opinion. And then subdivide the surface, and then join it with this mesh. Subdivide the surface. Hey, wait, sorry. Join the geometry using join geometry. Then boom, we have now the bottom part. What we need to do is increase the radius and the depth of it. We also need to increase this, and then like this. Okay, like this. I love this. Okay, like this. But as you can see, it's just to mesh, join it together. We'll need to find a way so this part is gone and become one big mesh. What we can do is using remesh, so it'll become together. But I personally doesn't like this approach. I usually use geometry node, all geometry node, and then we'll first need to points on surface. We'll need to distribute the point on surface around 1,000 point, like this. Okay, that's pretty much. And then you're using the we're using a Poisson disk so the point doesn't intersect with each other. Okay, and then we'll make that point into a volume and lower the radius, and then we'll convert that volume into a mesh again using volume to mesh. Look, it's combining together. Okay, but if you see in wireframe mode, there's some geometry in it. We can delete it with delete geometry, but if you use this as it is, it'll delete all of your geometry. What we can do is using selection and then use some island mesh island, and then delete the index of it. So here it is. And then we'll set smooth it for now. Okay. But if you see this, there's still more jagged area. There's two things that you can do. You can increase the voxel amount. Wait. Okay. Okay. You need to increase the voxel amount, and you need to use some dual mesh like this. And what cool about dual mesh is you can pretty much use it as many as you like this. I usually use 8 of it. I don't know if it's a good practice or not, but I'm happy with the result. As you can see, it's so smooth now. I'll make it as a group so it doesn't hurt my ass. Okay, I'll frame this. I'll frame this combine mesh. And then this will be the bottom part. Okay. I'll make this radius. We'll need to this is the bottom part. And I'll make it a string and hide the value. So we can now work like this. It's always adjusting. I'm happy with this. And then, oh, okay, I forgot something. We'll need to include this crease right here and make it here. Okay, like this. We can control it right now. That's cool, right? Okay, we are done now for the mesh part. I want to use it a bit more. Okay, I like it. I'll leave it for now. We are now can focus on the shading part. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. We'll need to set a material on it first. And using this, so we can change the material later. Then go to the shader layer part. Okay. Just see, yeah, you can control it now. We'll need some color ramp. Our beloved color ramp. Okay, now we can wait. Okay. We'll need to change this to shader to RGB. This node only work on EV right now. You can't use it in cycles. Just make this unpr stuff, not PBR. And then we need to assign some color on it. Okay, well, let's distribute evenly. Okay, we need to assign a very color. I'll use E47C29. Okay, that's gonna be the brownish part of this image, of this mesh. I'll make it 6, and then I'll use E4. Where's the E4? E4 9031. Okay, and then FF AF60. FF A587. Okay, I'll delete it. You can't see anything for now, but I promise. Oh, okay, sorry. I'll connect it to the alpha channel. Now, if you use some color, you can see this. It's just showing the stops, right? You can use sun. Okay. It's very much for the bottom part. Now we can use this and multiply. Wait, I rather use some color, new color ramp. Make it brown. Where's the brown part? Okay, like this, and use some layer weak. Okay, and then I'll multiply it together. Wait, why it doesn't? Oh, okay, sorry. Using some B-spline. Wait. And then climb it. Wait, why it doesn't showing up? Okay, I'll leave it for now. And then for the bottom part, wait a minute. What can I do is okay, as you can see, there's transition in it, right? We'll use a point. Wait, is there any transition right now? Okay, there is some transition. Oh, okay, I forgot something. You need to disable the soft shadow and crank up the cascade. Okay, I love this. I'm using this. I'll using this spline. Okay, for now. Why does this doesn't? Okay, I'll leave it for now. We're using this color ramp again. And then combine. wait, separate X, Y, Z. We are using the Z channel, and we are using texture coordinate using the normal. What it do is we are separating the upper part of it like this, using B-spline again, so it has more stuff like this. Okay, wait. Like this. Okay, and then I'll multiply it using some overlay. Where's the overlay? And then look, now you can control all of it now. All the bottom part of it. Wait, I don't know what's wrong with this app. It's supposed to be okay. As you can see, there is some line not right now. I don't know if you can see that line. I'll make it bigger for now. Look. Okay, I like this look. Can control the color of it like this. Can control all of it basically. And then now we are using the same again, but we want to only include the top part of it like this. Okay, I'll use this to the chocolate. Where's the chocolate? Chocolate. Okay, like this. I need this. That's okay for me, and then multiply it together. Oh, I should what to shoot. Okay, I'll use this. A bit this. Okay. Like this. We have some pudding now that have some outline within it. Okay. We can pretty much control everything. I want to make this upper part glossy. What we can do is using some math. Wait. Where's the math? Okay, and subtract it with 1. What you can do is convert the inverse the color of it and make it as a mask I want this to be the route navas, and then use this as an additive. Then we can control the shiny part like this. Okay, that's cool, right? Or if I multiply it, okay, like this. Well, now you can control the height, you can control the radius, you can control the point, like this, etc, etc. All you're gonna need to do is setting up some camera using mesh. Wait, I didn't have the face. And then render it as it is. I want this to shader to RGB. Wait, what? Okay. And then use some background like this. So here's your pudding now. Look at that. We are using Eevee, so this is blazingly fast. So here's from me today. Bye bye.